fucking. Oh, I thought you were really gonna fucking put your shirt on like that. You want my hat? Wait, so the sun
You want to sit down over here?
You want the hat so the sun
Just go. All right. Moving on. So a good friend of ours say there's some curiosity about DMT. Do you know what DMT, Flaco, is?
From my understanding, it's some kind of root, or they get it from a root or other.
So it's in a natural hallucinant, right?
Yeah.
Kind of like peyote. So, hey, go back. Go back on the boat. We're going too far. No, go back on the. Yeah.
Reverse.
Yes. Yes.
First.
No, reverse. No, down to you.
That's the hyperspeed button.
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, right there. It's cool.
All
right. So it's basically in a hallucinant or
hallucinogen.
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 Hallucination.
O sea, esa madre te pone locochón. No. So back in the day, Native Americans used to, for thousands of years, used to take that and get in touch with the higher self, right?
Yeah.
So I think there's, and I heard a lot of podcasts and things about it, how it gives you out of this world experience.
Yeah.
You know, me personal experience in hallucinations is losing my mind.
Hallucinogens.
Yeah, that shit. It's losing my mind when I was a kid, right? And it was a paranoia. I never recommend. So if I was to try it, I mean, it would be something unbelievable. Like, you become a different person.
Because they say this is interesting, because it's not like fucking LSD, all these other.
I heard this is
man-made. There's no man-made, right?
Because you hear these other ones. You hear these other drugs. They make you feel like, I feel like a jug of orange juice.
Yeah.
Or I tripped out, I had a bad trip. This is actually where people, it's like life-changing experience for people. So it's not like you go on a drug and you're like, I need some parties, and sleep it off, and you know what I mean? To me, it's much more than that. It's get in touch with God, or get in touch
the Creator,
with something more
nature,
higher than
the
us.
universe.
More, yeah. And that's what to me that's to me is intriguing.
I agree with everything.
We're not druggies.
Yeah, I agree with that. I agree with that, and I think that the biggest thing when it comes to anything or any story I've ever heard about DMT is you have to do it around the right people that you trust will take care of you when you're in the trip, and then when you come out of it, if you experience something wild, they can kind of know how to control you and make sure point you in the right direction.
Some people have said they had out-of-body experience, went to the future, saw the future, went to the past,
saw the past.
So all these things are different than a regular typical drug where it just gets you high.
Like the movie?
There's a purpose.
Oh wait, isn't this the same? The DMT is the same drug that humans experience when we're dying, right?
Yeah,
I heard that. I heard that.
The last few seconds when you're dying, or when you're dying, you kind of go into that.
I mean,
I have heard that.
I've heard that too. So
I never died.
I mean, I have a cousin that died
when you leave
for
this
a couple minutes, and he just said he also died from alcohol poisoning. So I don't know if that played a part.
I died out of drug poison.
That he said he kind of just saw black.
Yeah. But maybe that's the difference.
Not that one. He didn't see this.
But
I think it was I don't know if that's a point of him, because when you're drunk and you go.
I think that's the same difference. Look, check this out. So your cousin died out of alcohol poison, right? I died out of meth, weed, and pills overdose, right?
You did that. You did that crack shit.
Yeah. No, it was the pills.
You did that rat poison.
Yeah. So I didn't.
You don't have no good experience. You just had.
No, but kind of like his parents. Kind of like his. Hey, put it. Lower the engine. Down. On the button.
The button on the side.
Yes.
It is down.
Okay. Down. So what I think is coming to my mind is like whenever you don't have like a natural experience, you don't experience nothing. You just fucking black out and then come back out. 5 days later, like what the fuck am I? You in the jail? Get the fuck out of here. You're done, right? So I think it's the same deal with man-made drugs.
Yeah.
Like acid. Because I had a trip by accident when I was 15. And I walked with Jesus. The motherfucker was dope.
Bad Jesus?
No, like the real Jesus.
Okay.
We're walking.
Was he white?
No.
Was he black?
Was he white or black?
Yes, it was white, bro.
Nah, you didn't walk with the real Jesus.
No, I walked with the cartoon.
Yeah.
You know, like the
fairy tale Jesus.
No, the one they told me is through the kid, right?
Yeah.
So basically, my mind created Jesus in a white version, right? Like, you know what Jesus was? The one from the Jehovah's Witnesses.
Jehovah's Witnesses?
Good looking one.
Apparently. Anyways, but we walked for like 2 blocks and
you don't like black people?
No. And to that motherfucker smoked my whole joint, man. And then poof, disappeared. So I think man-made drugs don't give you an experience.
Yeah.
They just give you a high. But these drugs, they're not even drugs.
But DMT, the only natural DMT version is that we know of is like realistically is right before death. Like yes, peyote is natural, and there's like a couple other ones that are natural, but they're not 100% DMT. But they're the next best thing.
No.
So
What the fuck?
every DMT you do is gonna be man-made.
No, that's a bunch of bullshit. Because how the fuck do you know? You experience it, you die.
No,
What the fuck came back and said, you know what?
You get small doses of DMT while you're alive when you do things like that you like when you eat food, when you have sex. But it's really, really, really small doses of it.
The infamous fat Jesus,
I
by the
never
way.
had a bad experience when I bust a nut.
Or when I eat food.
What?
That's all it is. That's all it is.
It's because the dose is so low.
Yeah.
It's
So
really,
that's what I'm saying.
low.
The only high dose of DMT that is
Right
man-made is right before
It's
you're
really
dead.
low because I don't
Yeah.
feel shit.
But you love that.
Hey,
Hey, but you love that nut.
I love that nut.
Yeah.
Hey,
We all do.
did it so
Hey,
much, you got used to it.
We all do.
Oh, fuck.
You know, I don't know.
So coming out of nutberries.
I guess at some point you might see the T.K.O. podcast do DMT and tell you guys our
Oh,
experience.
fuck no, man.
We don't know. And that's in the future.
How about if he loses his mind?
I mean,
never
that's
come
not my
back.
mind.
We'll hope and find it. We'll have to be like that movie, what's it called, where they put the little
Inception.
Inception, where we have to go back for him into different levels of
Like Rick and Morty.
Rick and Morty shit, and then we have to find them and come
I
back
think
out.
I think the right dose with the right people will be something amazing. Something
That's what I'm saying. I mean,
that you
I
would
think-
treasure.
No.
for the
How
rest-
about if you experience something or see something that you don't want to see?
That's you're taking the risk. It's a
Yeah.
gamble.
Fuck.
It's a gamble. You don't know what you're gonna see.
All right, so it goes.
You don't know how it's gonna go, so it's a gamble.
It's okay. We're humans.
You want to take that gamble?
We can
Yeah,
overcome
I wanna
anything.
take that.
Okay, well that's what I'm saying. It's like it's up to every person. to
Except
wanna
being
take
a
that
little
gamble.
bitch, you can never overcome that shit.
That's true.
You born a little bitch, you born a little
You're
bitch.
born a bitch, you're gonna die a bitch.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah, exactly.
We should, matter of fact, we should end it on that note. So move on to
Yeah,
tequila.
you're born a little bitch, you fuck.
Okay.